In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a down arrow symbol into your Microsoft Word document. Whether you're creating a comprehensive report, working on an academic paper, or simply needing to guide your readers through complex information with arrows and symbols, this method will be incredibly useful. And don't worry, even if you're not very familiar with Microsoft Word, this is a straightforward process that anyone can follow. Now let's get started. First things first, you need to have your Microsoft Word file open. If you haven't already, go ahead and open the document in which you want to insert the down arrow symbol. Take a moment to navigate through your file to locate the exact spot where you'd like this symbol to appear. Having this context in mind will help you follow along more effectively. Next, you're going to want to go to the Insert tab. You'll find this at the top of your Word window. It is part of the main menu. Clicking on the Insert tab reveals a range of options for inserting different elements into your document, from pictures and tables to various symbols and more. Once you're in the Insert tab, look for the Equation option. Sometimes it can be easy to overlook because there are quite a few options here, but don't worry, you'll find it. Once you've spotted it, click on Equation. A dedicated space for typing out an equation will appear on your screen. This is where the magic happens. Now that you have the equation box open on your document, it's time to type in the code for the down arrow symbol. Go ahead and type the backslash followed by down arrow. It will look like this, /down arrow. After you've typed that in, all you need to do is hit the space bar on your keyboard. This action automatically transforms your typed command into a neatly formatted down arrow symbol right there in your document. How cool is that? And just like that, you're done. You managed to insert the down arrow symbol into your Microsoft Word document with ease. It's a small trick, but knowing how to add special symbols can really enhance the visual clarity and professionalism of your documents. Remember, the possibilities don't end here. The equation tool in Word can be used to insert a variety of mathematical symbols and notations. So feel free to explore and experiment with other symbols that might meet your needs. There you have it, an uncomplicated way to enhance your Word documents with symbols, making them clear and easy to understand. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide to be helpful.